Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to do addition of two numbers in C language. So let's start. So writing a program in C language, we need to first include header files that we are using. So here, first we are writing header files, that is include stdio.h. So here stdio.h is a header file which includes many libraries, that is standard input output library. So next line we are writing our main function. So a C language is not full without writing a main function. So we are writing here our main function. So on the next line, in these curly braces, we are writing our whole program. So first, we have to declare whatever variables that we are using in this program. So here, we are using three variables. So two variables are used to store the value of two numbers as we are doing addition of two numbers, and the third variable I'm using to store the addition of two numbers. So the data type of these numbers is integer. So that's why I'm declaring here int space a comma b comma c. So here I'm using a and b to store the two numbers, and c variable I'm using to store the addition of a and b. So on the next line, we have to write a statement which says that print enter two numbers on the screen. So that's why we are writing printf statement. So here printf statement is used to show or to display a statement as it is on the screen. So that's why here we are asking user to enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. So by using this, we are showing or we are displaying on the screen that user please enter two numbers. On the second line, we have to write scanf function. So scanf function is used to read the values from the user. So here we need two variables, so that's why we read two numbers from the user. Scanf, and percentage %d is used to read integer value from the user. As we are reading two numbers, we have to write percentage %b, percentage %d two times, comma. So here I am writing to what location we want to store that number. So first we have to store a number in A, and second we have to store the number in B. So on the next line we have to do addition. So C equals A plus B. So this statement does is addition of A and B is stored in C variable. So on the next line we have to print the value or the addition of A and B, that is C variable. So here printf double quotes %d comma c. So by using this statement, we are printing the value of c, and at the end return 0. So I'll explain once again. So here hash include, this is a header file. So by using stdio.h, we are including standard input library. So in standard input library, input output library, these printf function and scanf function is defined. So as we are using printf function and scanf function, we have to include this stdio.h library. So on the next line, we are writing our main function. So here int a comma b, here I am declaring whatever variables we are using in this program. So data type of that program is int, so that's why I'm here writing int a comma b comma c. Next line, printf enter two numbers. So printf is used to display whatever we are writing in the whatever we are writing in this printf function to show as it is or display as it is on the screen. So here scanf function. So scanf is used to read numbers or the values of the variable from the user. So here %d I am writing because the data type of a and b is integer type. So that's why %d. And ampersand a. Ampersand a tells the compiler or the computer that the value whatever you are reading, that value should be stored in a and stored in b. And the next line is addition of a and b. So c equals a plus b is nothing but the addition of a and b is stored in c. So on the next line we are just printing the c value. So the whatever value stored in c, that will be printed by using this line. So let's run our program. So here enter two numbers. So here I am entering 10 and 20. So the addition of 10 and 20 is 30. So let's see our answer. So the answer is 30. Therefore our program is correct. So this is the program of addition of two numbers.